Hello students, if you want to know the answer for this question about the isomorphs of 5-alpha reductase and its importance in androgenetic alopecia, stay tuned. Myself, Dr. Madhyan Srinivas, certified dermatologist from India, discussing derma-related topics in my YouTube channel as image-based questions, previous year questions, and also MCQs with the mission and vision to help out the pre-PG students in their dermatology, and also in the future I will come up with the exclusive dermatology-related videos. Okay. So today's our good thought is from Wim Hof. The limit is not the sky, the limit is the mind. So this person has so many Guinness World Records. He is also known as the Iceman because he can survive in the ice without wearing the clothes. So he can go barefoot and he can run marathons. So what he says from his experience is that if we are going to control our mind, then it has a lot of potential that we can do the unimaginable things which others may feel impossible. Okay, so this is the learning from this great person, the Iceman. And so always think I can do it. So if you look at this question carefully, which isoform of 5-alpha reductase plays key role in the androgen dependent hair growth? So first you should know that the testosterone which is there in the bloodstream in near the hair follicles, with the action of the 5-alpha reductase, this is going to get converted into dihydrotestosterone. And the problem with this is that, so and in this yesterday's question, so many students have answered this in the Telegram and also in the YouTube as type 2. And first of all, let me tell you that yes, it is type 2 which is the correct answer in this question. So let us quickly see about this process. So the testosterone, it is going to get converted into dihydrotestosterone by the activity of alpha reductase types 1 and 2, and out of these two types, the 5 alpha reductase of type 2 is going to be inhibited by the finasteride, whereas dutasteride, it is going to act in a dual fashion and it will inhibit both the type 1 as well as type 2 alpha reductase, thereby reducing the conversion of the testosterone to DHT, dihydrotestosterone. So what is the basic problem with this dihydrotestosterone is that this dihydrotestosterone is going to produce what is called as miniaturization of the hair follicles, and this is also going to cause increased vellus hair over the scalp. These changes are going to occur over the scalp, and these are the two main processes which are going to produce what is called as androgenetic alopecia. So to combat this, systemic medications which we are going to use are 5-alpha reductase inhibitors, out of which finasteride is the one which can be used in the males in a dosage of 1 milligram every single day. Of course, we have seen already this is going to inhibit type 2 alpha reductase. This is not recommended. This should not be used in females. It's a teratogenic agent, and the side effects produced by this finasteride are, this is going to cause nausea and vomiting, which is the most common side effect. Most likely you will remember your Viva days. In the pharmacology Viva, the most common answer which you will tell of any drug side effect is nausea and vomiting. But the most important adverse effect of this finasteride is erectile dysfunction, which our patients come Google after googling, and they will ask whether this medication is safe or not. Okay, so this was one question which I have asked from this topic. The rest of the complete rapid revision series video you can watch. I will leave the link in the comment section. And this is the tomorrow's question. The following are true about the condition which you are able to see in the image except. So please leave the answer in the comment section if you know whether it is A, B, C or D. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video till this point. If you have enjoyed this and if you found this useful, do give this video a thumbs up, and also share this to your friends who are having derma related queries, so that they can also subscribe to this YouTube channel. And yeah, you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit that bell if you wish to get all the notifications from myself, Dr. Manjari Srinivas, discussing derma related videos. So happy learning dermatology, friends. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam and Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you so much. Bye bye.